Hi everybody, welcome to my YouTube channel. Today guys, I would like to speak to you about my stormy weather fragrances that I was wearing throughout this type of storm. So we had very bad weather conditions recently guys, and as you can see basically it's raining around, and there is wind. You will see it right now, so it's kind of, the weather conditions are not very pleasant guys. I just opened the door for you so you could see. I cannot even get out for you so you could see better view, but I will stay in my car right now. So I wanted to do unboxing of this perfume guys, but I will do it after this video. This one is Rotuat Al Musk, so check out later on the review that I will do about this perfume. I bought this perfume because someone said that it's nice, but actually I'm a bit concerned because it says musk and I'm not really into musky perfumes. So let's see guys how it will go. Maybe I will open it today, so let's see. But today guys, I'm supposed to talk about perfume, stormy weather perfume. So when you have the weather like that, it's rainy and the wind is kind of coming through and through, if you are walking outside, so you want to wear some kind of perfume that would give you coziness. Or let's start with the cozy perfume. So the first day of the storm guys, I was wearing Rhagba. This perfume by Lattafa, it was one of the first perfumes that I actually decided to buy, because everybody guys, I will take off my gloves, because everybody guys was talking about this perfume, and it felt like this perfume is supposed to be something that I should have no matter what, so I bought it, and I already got compliments with this perfume. But it's not about that, it is about that actually, about compliments, but it's more actually how did I felt after wearing this particular perfume. So this perfume guys, it gave me a feeling of feeling very cozy, the most beautiful ambery scent. As I said before, the longevity is better than average perfumes, but not like super strong longevity, but good enough. It's leaning towards I think more than medium longevity. For that reason it's so good, and it's very, I think some people cannot like this perfume, but in general I think it's very likable. You will be smelling outstanding if you will be using this perfume, just because Middle Eastern perfumes guys is so unusual. It's something like as if it would be some kind of secret, that nobody knows, because everybody knows designer perfumes, Armani perfumes, like everybody knows these type of perfumes, Dolce & Gabbana, but nobody knows guys about this particular cheap perfumes, as affordable perfumes as Rhagba. Nobody knows about these perfumes. Only people who are discovering guys new scents, so only those people can know about these perfumes. Okay guys, so I really enjoyed to wear this perfume in the stormy weather conditions. And another choice of the perfumes that I had, I thought, let me wear something sweet. I wasn't reaching for this perfume recently, I don't know why. Maybe it was a bit too sweet or something, but to be honest, I still respect this perfume guys. Lattafa Al Arabia Khalat, Khalat Royal Blends is the name. So guys, I still respect this particular perfume more than designers perfume, because I feel they are much more unique guys. So this perfume guys, I felt really nice, feminine, sweet, and something that is very unique, coconutty type of scent. That kind of is a bit addictive too. There is not as much as amber. There's no, amber as much as in this Rhagba perfume. But this type of coconutty smell, guys, that I was feeling, it's, mesmerizing perfume. So I was feeling very good while wearing this perfume in the stormy or rainy, guys, weather condition as such. Do you guys rainy conditions at this particular time of the year? The name of this storm that we have here is Bara, I think is the name, Bara. So it was already second day for me, of this stormy weather conditions. So as I said before, so we have Rhagba, ambery scent. We have this one is more sweet, cozy type of sweet, perfume that you will feel cozy. And then the third perfume I was thinking, that if I would wear, I was thinking must be something strong and that would give you type of confident feeling, perhaps manly, not perhaps, but it's 100% manly. It's for man, this perfume. Ejaazi is the name. Lattafa Ejaazi. This is also was one of the 5 perfumes or 6 perfume that I bought, guys. And I bought this perfume because I saw a lot of review, kind of not review, but on Amazon, guys. I saw a lot of people, guys, are talking about this particular perfume. So I thought, let me buy it. I thought, let me buy it, guys, and let me wear it. And at the beginning, I thought, oh my goodness, guys, I smell this perfume, and I thought, this is not gonna be something that I will be enjoy wearing it, But let me tell you, guys, I just tried it, and I pretty much enjoy to wear it, like, let's say once or twice in 2 weeks, whenever I feel like, okay, I'm fed up with these sweet scents, I'm fed up with these type of sweet scents, and I want to smell maybe a little bit something sharp and something unusual and a little bit masculine too. So Ejaazi, guys, Ejaazi perfume was unusual perfume to wear, manly perfume. The box or the bottle of this perfume, as you can see, it's kind of reminds me these Killian perfumes and looks type of luxury. No wonder, guys, men are wearing this perfume. No wonder. To be honest, if you buy it on Amazon, which I did, guys, on Amazon, this perfume says it's unisex. But then some of the reviewers, guys, said to me that actually it's written there very clear that it's for man, so and the smell is definitely manly, guys. It has ambroxan. The longevity of this perfume, some days when I'm wearing it, it seems like longevity is very strong. Some days when I wear it, it seems a little bit less, perhaps depending on the weather. I have a feeling that if you would wear this perfume in the hot days, like I was wearing it in summer, I think it was projecting more, and it gave me the sensation that this perfume is more stronger, stronger perfume, guys, than what sometimes, like today, for example, it's a cold day for me, and I don't feel that this perfume is projecting or I'm feeling it as much, so really depends on the day. So Ejaazi is a sharp perfume, guys, that you would might enjoy to wear in the cold days, stormy days. I've never thought about kind of what perfume to wear in the stormy days, but since the storm came, I start to think about it in advance. The storm was announced. I was thinking, what am I, guys, gonna wear tomorrow? What would be my choice of stormy weather perfume? And the first thing that came into my head was Rhagba, that stormy weather perfume. This one was my second thought. So I thought, let me wear something sweet, Ejaazi as well. To be honest, any perfume that you would wear in the stormy weather days will give you nice feeling. It will mark the day. Whenever you wear perfume on certain occasions, guys, it's gonna mark your day with a stamp. Like something, you're gonna mark the day with your perfume that you will be wearing. It will give you that type of perfume sensation throughout the day, and it will surround you, with the smell. So that's why it's interesting to choose perfume for the day. Interesting to see, what will be, guys, your choice of perfumes that you are choosing. So my choice, as I said, was this one. But I had a certain feeling, guys. I had a feeling that I will unbox this perfume, but I don't have a feeling that it will be stormy day perfume. So for that reason, guys, I recommend you to like this video, so you could maybe perhaps see my future videos in the future, and you will see this particular Rotwat Al Musk review. The bottle was luxurious of this perfume. Not many people are talking about it for some reason. I have a feeling that it either can go to one direction or the other. That word musk, I don't like it, to be honest. But also I read one review that it was saying, it at the beginning seems to be strong, but then it dries down in a better way. That's all what I know, so I have mixed impressions. So far, all the perfumes that I tried, guys, from Lattafa, some of them I didn't like at the beginning, but then within few trying, I realized it's a beautiful perfume with the characters. So each perfume has its own character, such a character, guys. This perfume has a strong character. All the perfumes as if it would be some kind of personalities that you need to adjust, adjust and readjust yourself to the perfume. So I am not afraid right now to try new perfumes, because I know that within time it's really possible that you will like it. That's all, guys. I will be back to you soon. I hope you will feel cozy, guys, with your perfumes that you are wearing. I hope you will survive the storm, and I will be back to you soon. Bye bye, guys.